Howdy folks, today we have a 2007 Ford F550 Wrecker self-loader repo truck. This truck is equipped with a Miller unit, heavy duty. I'll give you a brief walk around on the truck. It's running right now. 19.5 Goodyear, good tires all the way around with some fresh hubcaps, freshly painted Wrecker. This truck has no smoke, no issues, no warning lights on, ready to work, ready to go. Tires are good all the way around. This size bed, good storage, 2 toolboxes, LED spotlights, bright up the whole back of the bed. Very nice. The interior is very clean. Just had it detailed. Door panels, power window, power locks. One owner truck. This is a one owner vehicle. Very clean rubber mat on the floor, no holes, no foul odor, no tears in the sun visor up there in the headliner. Original black truck. Signals in the rear view mirrors, strobes, LEDs. It's got HID headlights in the front. It's got a billet grille. You hear no knocking, no smoking. No oil leaks. Don't find no leaks. Power window, power locks. Saw a little tear in the seat right there. I like to point everything out. That little tear was stitched up, but other than that, the seats are good to go. Controlling the unit, self-loader. No smoking. Show you the unit working now. Unfold. Boom up and down. Jaws open. Jaws closed. Boom out. Boom in. Fold. Everything works properly, no problems. Any information on this beautiful repo truck, ready to work, ready to be added to your fleet, give us a call. 407-341-4600. Once again, my name is Jason and my phone number is 407-341-4600. Thank you and have a great day.